Welcome to my studio. I'm here to help you make your own textured art and share my creative tips to inspire your art journey. Today I'm showing you how I created a 3D floral artwork that I wanted to use as a cover for my art guide. So let's go straight to painting. I painted this gradient background off camera and waited it to dry completely. Then I started adding the petals. I used first the round tip palette knife to add the light pink petals and then mixed more pink to obtain the darker shade to make the flower center. Since I want this to be a background for the cover of the book, I want the space to add the writing in between. That's why I'm adding first just the flowers on the borders. I'm shaping these petals using the diamond shaped palette knife. I'm adding on the screen all the colors that I've mixed to obtain these. I wanted the background to reflect the content of the guide, so that's why I added these 3D flowers in my favorite colors. So here's the cover. Let me know if you're interested to know how I achieved this final look. You can find a link to my art guide in the description below. Now back to the painting because I don't want to leave it like this. So then I proceeded to add these blue flowers and adding just more petals in the spaces that I like. You can distribute the colors and the petals as you like. I've shared before how to load the palette knife and how to apply the pressure to get the flowers and the petals, so you can check out these videos in my shorts. And here's how this small painting came together. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like. It will help the video reach more people that are interested in art like you. And I'll be sharing more frequently artwork tutorials here on YouTube. I just came out of holiday and sickness, so from now on I'll be posting more frequently, so keep your eye on my channel. Here are the upcoming artworks that I'll be sharing with you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.